Hello everybody, welcome to the world of Secret Sauce. My name is Natalie and this is the Secret Sauce Kitchen. This is where I make all the secret sauces. I will also be creating a series of cooking videos to show you how to cook with secret sauce. There might even be some recipes that you didn't think about that would actually go very well with them as well. However, it might take me some time to make each video as this is all new to me. So please sign up to our newsletter. And when I finish making each cooking video and upload it to our website, you will be informed shortly after. Thank you very much, and please enjoy all our videos.